Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to run Pocket Option Robot. I'm going to run 3 of them at the same time. Alpha 1 Trader, Alpha Master and ChatGPT. Alpha Gold is not done yet, but will be soon done, okay? But we are going to run all these 3 robots at the same time today. So you can download these robots also. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. So these binary option robots are actually quite amazing. If you like this type of videos also, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you find a link to my free Forex Telegram signal group, so if you're interested about that, join that. But now let's start up all these 3 amazing binary option robots. And there we made $508. This ChatGPT robot is maybe too risky. Seems like this artificial robot is not that good to get trades like I am. So I feel my Alpha 1 Trader and Alpha Master is in another league than ChatGPT. Just my opinion at least. But by the way, we made profit and I'm happy with that. You can download these robots also. All of them you will find in the download link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.